once dead, and tonight we are going to be looking at two different types of humans, especially in children, the nature and the nurture, and we'll be approaching these children and seeing how they react to normal human beings. I'm going to approach the human now. We have to see how the nurturing of its parents has affected its growth and development.
I love Queen Latifah! Oh, man! Hey, man! I want some potato chips! I only have pretzels. What is this? Healthy stuff?
Hello. Now I'm going to try and attract this human by its favorite sound of buttered popcorn.
Yeah! Popcorn! Man! Oh, man!
Hello there.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Larry. I'm Larry! What do you want?
Larry is exactly what we were looking for.
For what?
For our example of how nurture affects the human. Now.
Wow, that's
Oh, thank you.
roll the guard! Marigold! Best.
So, Larry, how do your parents treat you?
Awesome!
Awesome.
Hey, watch this! Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom! You wanna
Okay,
get some
okay.
chocolate?
Mom will come later.
You gonna get some
Mom-
chocolate?
Mom will come later. So, do they give you whatever you want?
Pretty much.
So, you like to eat lots of salty, high-fat food while watching TV?
Mm-hmm. Who's that? Who's that?
Oh, that's my cameraman.
Hey, cameraman, you want some pretzels? They're good. They're marigold. Marigold. My favorite.
That's nice. So, how did you get this way?
This is my stomach.
Yes, but how did you get your health issues?
My health consists of this. I wake up whenever I please. Usually around like 5 o'clock. And then I sit and I eat.
Larry, if you're here all day, what do your parents do?
We're gonna the same thing, kind of. They wake up at 5. And they watch TV and they eat all day.
They do the same thing as you all day.
It's a good life.
They would do that. Well, Larry, I've got to be going. It was nice meeting you.
Me too. Hey, take some pretzels while you're at it. And
Oh.
go home, starving.
Okay.
You know,
Thanks,
we don't
Larry.
do that in Larry's house. Bye.
So, as we saw with Larry, his nature of how he acted was embedded in him by the nurture of his parents and what they did, which was eating and laying around, and that affected Larry's development. So, no matter how wrong or disgusting it may be, it was almost unavoidable for Larry to end up that way. Coming up, we'll be looking at a child who is affected by the nature. It will be exciting. Okay, right below us is a prime specimen of nature. If we look below out the window, you will see how beautiful this really is. Okay, I'm approaching the nature child, and I just can't wait to interview her. hope I'm not interrupting your meditation.
No, it's quite all right.
What's your name, young nature child?
Esmeralda.
Well, Esmeralda, how did you grow up? What's your life?
Well, I was found drifting on the waters of the Nile at age 3. Drifted all the way over here and was raised by the sun, the sea, and the earth.
Esmeralda, if you were raised by the earth and the sea and the wind, etc., then how did you survive?
Oh, just by my own natural instincts.
That's the answer I was looking for. As you saw the differences between Larry and Esmeralda, you also saw the differences between nature and nurture. The nature versus nurture debate has never been solved, but this is one step closer. Thank you for tuning in, and come back next time.